Want to know how to see your site health in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you are under your WP site. Now, once you're under your site admin, right here you should be seeing a dashboard. So, you should search up for tools. If you don't find it, just scroll through it. And once you're under tools, just hover on it and you should be seeing various options on your right. Now, since we want to see site health, just simply select site health right here. Now, once you've selected site health, a new window should pop up and you should be redirected to it. So right here, you should be seeing your health status and some issues. So my site has these issues right here and recommended improvements and much more. You can also switch to informations, and after the result loads, you can see the full info. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.